From Europe to Turkey, the path to affordable dental care. With regards to dental health, a lot of individuals living in Europe face cost-intensive procedures that hinder the maintenance of the best dental well-being. From routine cleanings to extensive procedures, costs for dental treatments can be expensive rapidly. There is, however, one option that's getting increasingly popular among Europeans who want to save money in dental treatments: travel to Turkey for inexpensive treatment. Turkey has been gaining recognition as an ideal destination for dental tourism over the last few time, with a large number of Europeans enjoying high-quality dental services at a fraction of costs compared to their own nations. In terms of dental implant to cosmetic dentistry, Turkey is a great place to offer people looking for high-quality dental services at a cost that's not too expensive. One of the major reasons that Turkey is now considered to be a center of dental tourism is due to the low cost of dental services. Cost of dental procedures in Turkey is much cheaper than many European nations, making it a great choice when you want to save some money. No matter if you're looking for a straightforward filling or an extensive procedure, expect to pay less for your dental services in Turkey than in places such as Germany, the UK, Germany, or France. The affordability of care isn't the only reason Europeans prefer Turkey as their dentist. It also has professional and highly experienced dentists trained on the newest procedures and technology. When you're in the need of a dental crown, a bridge, or dental implant, you are able to ensure that you be treated with the highest quality of care by an experienced professional committed to giving you the highest quality results for your dental health. Apart from the superior quality of services and the cost of the services offered, Turkey is also a gorgeous country to visit. From the busy streets of Istanbul and the stunning beaches of Antalya, it is a no absence of attractions to explore and do when you're visiting Turkey to get your dental treatments. Some dental practices also provide plans that include lodging and transport, making it simple for patients to combine dental treatment with a holiday within this beautiful country. It's crucial to understand that visiting a dental clinic is not something new. People from all over the world have done for a number of years, and Turkey has rapidly become an ideal destination for patients searching for low-cost and top-quality dental treatments. No matter if you're in the need of a regular cleaning or major operation, Turkey has a lot to offer people looking for a low-cost option without sacrificing the level of care the patients receive. The conclusion is that traveling to Europe to Turkey for dental treatments could be an affordable as well as a rewarding adventure. The affordable costs, the highly trained dentists, as well as a stunning country to discover, Turkey offers everything you want for a satisfying dental procedure overseas. Therefore, why not make the trip to Turkey to attend the next time you visit the dentist? Perhaps you will discover it to be the best solution to your dental medical needs.